Hello my dear viewers, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change date and time zone of our computer in Windows 10. Okay, let's start. For that, in the search bar I am writing setting. Setting is here, I am clicking on it. Yes, it is Windows setting. Now you will click on it, time and language. Here you will see time, date, time zone, etc. My time zone is Dhaka, Bangladesh, but while I was installing the operating system, it was taking auto time zone. However, I am going to change the time zone at first. See here, you will select the time zone here as per your need. I am setting time zone Dhaka. Okay. You can change the time and date manually, or you can change it automatically. If we keep this button on, that means set time automatically on, it will automatically change the time. But if you need to change the time as per your need, then you have to keep it off, then you will get this option, change. Okay, click on it. Then as per your need, you can change the date, time, AM, PM like this. Okay, but I am not going to change it because it has automatically changed everything. Okay, I am keeping it on. If I keep this button on, that means set time zone automatically. If I keep it on, it will set my own time zone. I am testing it. See here, Dhaka. It has shown Dhaka is my time zone and the actual time of this area is showing here. If you need to change other additional settings, then you can click here. See date, time, additional clock, etc. Okay, I'm closing it. In this way, you can change your time, date, and time zone. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody.